Hi guys, here is my honest review of Temu viral food juicer. Let's see the outcome. So guys, today I want to try this Temu blender. This is the Temu blender. I got it from the gift. Today I'm going to be trying it with these fruits you see here. I have here avocado, kiwi, and other fruits. Yeah, now I will go ahead to peel my fruit I'm going to use to try this. If you have not tried this, if you have not gotten this Temu gift, please do well to get it, because I got my own free of charge, and this video is not it's not a paid advert. I just want to try it. This is my first time trying if it's working well. So I will not use all my fruit. I will go ahead to peel my kiwi. So guys, I have here one kiwi. I will cut it also and add, because the blender is a little small. I will add something that it can contain therein. So I will go ahead now to chop my kiwi in small pieces so that it can enter. Okay, so this is for one person. If you are single, this is for you. It's not for the family, it's for only one person. Okay, you can see. Now I will add, what's the name of this?
Biene.
Biene, yeah. Biene, what's the name in English? So I will be adding in my biene. Pears. This is English pears. So I will be adding one half of the pears here. I like this combination. You can feel free to use any fruit of your choice. I'll be adding my pears now. Okay, I don't want it to full much. Yeah, let me remove this at the side. What I will do now is to add some water to smooth and easy blending. So I added water, as you can see. I want to show you everything. Then I will use the cover, and this is how you can cover it, close it. Okay, and the blender is already charged. I don't need to plug it again in the light. If it's not charged, you can plug it here, but it's already charged. That is why it is good. You can use it where there is no light. So let's try this review for the first time. I press it.
Just press it once.
What is happening? What is happening? So now you can see. Now use your hand to check if the Temu blender is a scam or not. Yeah, this is how the Temu blender blends. Yeah, I'm not editing this. I'm going to post it exactly like this. Okay, you press and remove your hand. Press and remove your hand until it is done. Okay, so this is non-edited video from Temu for Temu blender. Oh, it's really crushed it. It's really crushed it, guys. I can see. Yeah, chikwado'sspace is a good product review. So if your product is good, just bring it to us. We're going to showcase it to the world. and I can now recommend this to the people who are buying this. Just see how it works. Just press your hand, remove, press, remove, and now it has blend. So let's see the outcome of what we got. No edit video of blender from Temu, the free gift from Temu. So this is our outcome. Wow, is this not yummy? So this is yummy. You see, yummy and delicious. Temu online shop. This is the free gift I got from them. I just want to unbox it today with this fruit you see here. Let me know if you're going to also apply or buy. So now we are going to use also banana, because my son wants to also eat the one of banana. I put small what's the name again?
Apple.
Is it apple?
Yeah.
No, bean. The small pear, and the remaining pear inside here. So he wants to use a small orange mango to mix instead of water. My own, I use water. So I add. Is this okay for you or more?
It's okay.
It's okay. Then so I cover it again. I don't need to wash it. Okay, now you see the outcome of this one. So my son is going to use his hand to do this. It's now this you are telling me that I'm not doing it the right way. So when something is full, I think it's a little bit harder than when something is not there then inside. Is it blending? Okay. This is a beautiful review for you to see how the Temu blender works, guys. Now you will understand how it works. When it's smooth, let me know. It's smooth?
Yeah, I think so. It's done.
Okay, it is done now. You just pour it in your cup. Bring your cup and pour it there. Yeah, turn it so. Then open it. That's out. Bring your cup a little bit near your hands so they can see it. Yeah, you can pour it now. Oh, it did not blend very well. Do you see it? It didn't blend very good. It has lumps. It has lumps. So guys, my son, this is his own juice and this is mine. So rent it out. I made it in 2 different ways. Now you can see this is banana and this is banana with pears, and this is avocado, kiwi and pears. So check it out and let us know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about this review? Bye for now.